Bash Blast.
We got a blue Notorious truck from Arma.
Blue is nice. Sorry.
Oh, that is a nice blue. Oh my.
Apparently this is metal. Yeah, it is.
It's like a flat blue or something. Flat metallic blue.
Yeah.
Oh, and it's got the screws on top, so when you
can stick lights on it?
when you hit the ground, it sparks.
Oh yeah.
Which is ridiculous.
So, you take a picture like that first, or do you want to see the
Yeah.
guts?
Well, yeah, it's a truggy. We can look inside, yeah.
It's actually steel. Wow. That's what my
That's,
it's all
that's
plastic
actually
shit.
5mm thick shock
I can
tower.
cut these out on my CNC machine though. If I break anything or bend anything.
And that's aluminum shock caps actually
and
on there.
Covered the shocks with little rubber things.
And yeah, your seals and oil will last a long time because it's got dust boots.
Yeah, it's pretty good actually.
It is.
Cool. No,
awesome.
I'll take it easy with the 3S for. Is there 2 clips? So
Notorious.
I can put both in, if I want.
Yeah, I gotta take a picture. Sorry, I wanna. No, I gotta buy one. I think.
Again, Seb's RC Shop.